A Muslim army major is considering mounting a constitutional challenge against the SANDF, saying its rules are at odds with the country's supreme law. Fatima Isaacs is facing 2 charges for refusing to remove her headscarf at work. Her matter is before a military court in Cape Town. Now, to make sense of this story and find out what's really going down here, I'm joined by Brigadier General Monwabisi Jamangile from the SANDF. Very good to have you with us, Brigadier. How is this story going to play out? Why are we here at the moment?
Well, I don't think at the moment I must comment about the legal aspects of this issue, because it is still in the courts of the South African National Defence Force. So it will be not of professional way for me to speak on legal issues.
Okay, let's put the legal issues aside, but possibly you can tell me what the rules are in the army surrounding this sort of issue, wearing a headscarf.
Well, between the SANDF and the Muslim Judicial Council, which is a constituent body, religious body on religious issues, we have come to an agreement that does not impede the policy of the South African National Defence Force when it comes to the dress of the SANDF. Members of the SANDF on this issue have agreed with the Muslim Judicial Council that they can wear what we call the underscarf. That underscarf will not impede the professional image of the SANDF dress, and it will not even impeach this military culture that we protect in the South African military.
Okay, tell us more about the military culture and the policy when it comes to personal expression, religion, and army rules. Well,
the religion in the SANDF enjoys its freedom, in the sense that every religion in the South African National Defence Force is catered for, either Muslim, Hindu, Christian. We even have what we call the Jewish Board of Deputies. The religion in the SANDF is not an issue that is making the people of the members of the SANDF not to enjoy it. They enjoy it. We practice it as normal. And again, remember, the religion in the SANDF, it's a command responsibility. And this command responsibility is exercised with the military culture. The military culture dictates dictates in everything for the purpose of operational duties, for the purpose of unit cohesion, and for the purposes of discipline and standards and safety in the SANDF.
Okay,
so there is no problem.
Let me just jump in here if I may. I mean, what is so offensive about wearing a scarf, and where does this sort of thing stop? I mean, for example, what if somebody's got a tattoo on his or her neck? Is that offensive? Is that breaking rules?
You can wear anything that will not impede. I repeat, you can wear anything that will not impede the uniform of the SANDF, that will not obstruct the uniform of the SANDF. There are cultural issues that we accept in the SANDF. There are custom issues that we accept in the SANDF, as long as they not impede the professional military dress of the South African National Defence Force. So there is no way that we say we don't accept these things to be happened, but we maintain our professional image of the South African military uniform.
And this image, which I know has been around for many years, is it still applicable to today's society? Should it change, do you think? Should there be a debate about that?
Well, the policymakers will determine that. But remember, We are brought together in the South African National Defence Force as members of the SANDF through the uniform, not through religious issues. As much as we respect the religious issues of our society, of our members, what stands out as a member of the SANDF is our uniform. So we need to protect our uniform, and it must maintain its professionalism at all times, because there are implications on these issues. We understand. Now, remember, the SANDF is a military institution. That's the uniqueness of it. And the command that we follow must be respected. And it assists us, by the way, to be professional and also to look as professional soldiers.
Okay,
there's nothing wrong with the religions. Yes.
Okay,
yes.
Brigadier General, thank you very much for talking to us.